Planning your dream wedding with our DIY wedding planning kit is an exciting and empowering journey. But let's be real, even the best laid plans can hit unexpected roadblocks. Whether it's finding the perfect vendor, sticking to your budget, or staying on schedule, sometimes you need a little extra help. Introducing the DIY wedding planning support community. The perfect way to upgrade your wedding planning experience with personalized support every step of the way. Join our bi-weekly live calls with a certified wedding planner where you can get expert advice, answers to your biggest wedding planning questions, troubleshoot challenges and gain real solutions, stay motivated and on track with our planning timeline, and you can connect with other engaged couples for inspiration and ideas. Gain exclusive pro tips that aren't in the kit. Why join? Exclusive access to a certified wedding planner without the hefty price tag. Problem solve with ease, avoiding stress before it even starts. Accountability and motivation, stay on track and keep your planning timeline intact. A supportive community of couples going through the same journey. And the best part? For a limited time, you can join now for just $50. Yes, you get bi-weekly expert guidance and all the answers you need, and a support community for only $50. Ready for a stress-free, seamless wedding planning experience? Get the confidence, clarity, and expert support you need to create the wedding of your dreams without the overwhelm. Click below to join the DIY wedding planning support group, and let's make your wedding planning journey effortless, enjoyable, and unforgettable together. Your dream wedding is just a click away. Let's do this.